Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Build.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do something a little bit different than I usually do. I am going to show you this. This is how my lawn is growing in this side of the house. And then, if you see down here, the lawn is dying. So my assumption is that about a year ago, I built these beds, raised bed, to do some gardening, and I noticed that this water sprinklers right over here, these two, are adding a bunch of water in this area. So the lawn is growing like crazy over here. So over here, he's not getting as much water. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a hose right over here with a sprinkler system that is going to go from here in here. I'm going to add two with a timer valve, and it's going to run in a timer, I'm assuming like every 6 hours, and hopefully my yard is going to look flourish like it looks in that corner right over there. So let's get started. Okay, so the idea is to create the system. I bought all of this on Home Depot, and I went ahead and got everything that I needed from there. So pretty much this is all pieces that you can get. This was fairly cheap. So what I'm getting is this elbow, and I'm putting it here on this pipe, and I'm pretty much assembling everything together. As you can see, I don't need much stuff. The only thing that I'm gonna have to add is a little bit of plumber's tape over here. So I got the plumber's tape. I'm just gonna put this right over here, put it together. And we're gonna do the same thing right here at the bottom as well. So the idea will be to put this together right over there and make it like a T. One is gonna be attached here and like this here, and then the other one is gonna be there, and that should be good enough to have a good water pressure so the water can go all over the backyard. Okay, so after messing around with the settings of the sprinklers, I had to adjust it. I got super wet doing it, but I really like the coverage that is going around the backyard. It's gonna be super exciting. And also, in summer days when it's super hot, I just have to turn those sprinklers on and play around in the backyard with my son. He will love that. So I got this at Home Depot as well. I have another one for my garden bed, and I'm gonna have a timer for this as well. I like this because I don't have to worry about watering the yard when I'm away. So let's just put this together, and then I can set up a timer and see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a demonstration on how this works. I'm just gonna turn it on. Okay, it's on now. So we have water coming in, and now I adjusted the water so it can cover the area that I wanted to cover. So this one is covering this area right here. This one is taking care of this area right over here. So I am pretty satisfied with this. So if you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. And I'll see you next time for the next project.